Hi friends, in this video you will see old jeans recycling craft. Old jeans recycling craft is a creative and sustainable way to transform worn out denim into beautiful, useful and stylish handmade items. Instead of throwing away old jeans, this craft gives them a new life, turning everyday waste into something meaningful and artistic. Denim is a strong, durable fabric which makes it perfect for recycling projects that can last for years while still looking fashionable and unique. With old jeans recycling craft, every small piece of denim can be used creatively, from pockets, waistbands, and seams to zippers and buttons. Each part of the jeans offers endless possibilities. These recycled denim pieces can be transformed into handbags, wall hangings, cushion covers, rugs, storage baskets, table mats, organizers, jewelry holders, and even home decor items. The natural shades of blue combined with stitching details create a rustic yet modern look that fits beautifully in any home. One of the most exciting aspects of denim recycling is its versatility. You can mix light and dark denim shades to create patchwork designs, add embroidery, lace, crochet borders, or fabric flowers to enhance the beauty of your craft. Old jeans can also be combined with other recycled materials like buttons, beads, ribbons, and leftover yarns to create truly one-of-a-kind handmade pieces. Each project becomes a reflection of creativity and personal style. Recycling old jeans is not just about crafting, it's about promoting eco-friendly living and sustainable fashion. These crafts encourage mindful creativity, teaching us how to value what we already have instead of constantly buying new materials. Old jeans recycling crafts are perfect for beginners as well as experienced crafters. The fabric is easy to work with, forgiving and strong, making it ideal for hand sewing or machine sewing. These projects are also wonderful activities to do at home, especially for those who love DIY, upcycling, and creative reuse. They can even be turned into small business ideas, gift items, or handmade decor pieces for special occasions. Each recycled denim creation tells a story of transformation, sustainability, and creativity. What once was an old, unused pair of jeans becomes a beautiful handmade item filled with purpose and charm. Old jeans recycling crafts remind us that beauty can be created from the simplest materials and that creativity has the power to turn waste into wonder. Old jeans recycling craft is a beautiful journey of creativity, sustainability, and imagination, where worn out denim finds a second life through art and handmade designs. Instead of letting denim go to waste, this craft transforms it into something useful, decorative, and full of character. Denim is one of the most durable fabrics, which makes it perfect for recycling. Even when jeans are no longer wearable, the fabric remains strong and versatile. Throughout jeans recycling crafts, each section of the jeans legs